This confined space entry kit has a large load capacity with a durable iron and alloy construction, providing access or fall protection in confined spaces, such as well, sewer, tunnel, and other places. It is lightweight, foldable, and easy to dismantle, making the tripod storage convenient to transport. 3 footpads and a ring protection chain are used for increasing the friction area and making the tripod non-slip and more stable. This tripod comes with 2 carry bags for carrying the protection chain and other accessories. It is solid and durable. This tripod storage is an ideal tool for safe access and emergency rescue, perfect for usage in well, sewer, underground pipe, and tunnel. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 1200LBS rated load. The tripod is made of iron and aluminum alloy. The die casting plate at the top is thickened. Rated load: 397 pounds, 180 kilograms. Manual handle force is less than or equal to 500 N. Number 2. Winch with fall protector. The man winch has 65 feet galvanized cable with a hook and is constructed of a self-locking device for rising and declining. The falling protector ensures safety. Number 3. Adjustable tripod legs 2.15 m. Aluminum alloy tripod legs are constructed of 7 adjustable holes for length adjusting. Length can be adjusted from 1.3 meters, 4.2 feet to 2.15 meters, 7 feet. Number 4. Large load capacity. Rated load: 397 pounds, 180 kilograms. Manual handle force is less than or equal to 500 N. Our product can provide scientific and safe rescue and ensure user safety. Number 5. Aluminum alloy construction. Constructed of premium iron and high-quality aluminum alloy, the top plate treated through the die casting process, the tripod rescue kit is solid and durable. Yellow and black reflective sticker is for visibility. Number 6. Self-locking system and fall protector. Galvanized cable length, 99 feet, 30 meters. The man winch works with a self-locking device for rising and falling, and a falling protector with a durable hook, ensuring safety. Man winch continue efficiency, 8:1. Number 7. Adjustable legs 2.15 m max. The legs of this tripod winch kit are length adjustable, from 1.34 to 2.15 meters, 4 to 7 feet. 3 feet with rubberized pads are angle adjustable and anti-slip. It keeps stable with ring protection chains. Number 8. Various application. The tripod with a rescue winch is suitable for entry and rescue in confined spaces, such as well, sewer, underground pipe, and tunnel. It comes with 2 carry bags. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.